Good morning. I want to talk to Kweisi face to face because this Facebook shit just don't get it. I told y'all to take your campaign signs down because I'm going to use them. Nick Mosby, Marilyn Mosby, y'all been blocking me access to the grand jury since y'all got in office. We talking about the NAACP. We talking about the ACLU. We talking about the prison industry as a whistleblower. You took over Congressman Cummings' office job. Part of his job is oversight in the prison industry, the grand jury for the prison industry. That's your job, big head. That's your job. You ain't doing your job. You've been avoiding me. Anthony McCarthy will tell you. Gene will tell you. Everybody will tell you. You got a job to do. Do your job or lose your job, because I'm going to make it hard for you to be around Baltimore. I'm going to show you where you're not and where you should be and what you should be doing. That's the 7th Congressional District. All right, April 2015, Dwayne G. Davis, all right? Gmail, phone number. You feel me? Prison industry, whistleblower. That's your job, man, to do his job. You can't deny me my rights, and you took an oath to take that office. That's Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court, all right? I was locked up in Illinois and Maryland, charged with terrorism. I want the grand jury. I want the grand jury, and I want your face on it, because I'm sending your face to everything that I be doing from now on. We're going to start the day out with you. Since you don't want to be in Baltimore and you don't want to take care of Baltimore's issues, I'm going to show you what you need to do. That's the NAACP. That's Eric Holder and the ACLU and President Obama. All right, we clear on this? Here you go. That's Senate Bill 374. All right. Baltimore City Circuit Court grand jury investigation. All right. I want to access the grand jury. I want to access the grand jury on the state and the federal level. And this is Marilyn Mosby. Dear Marilyn Mosby, 2001, 2011, I filed a witness protection application, all right, with against Scott Schellenberger. Greg Bernstein had it. 5 days later, you locked me up. I want the grand jury. Bobby Zirkin, Lisa Gladden, Delegate Moon, Jill P. Carter. All right. Federal levels, Congressman Cummings, Senator Barbara Mikulski, Senator Ben Cardin, Dutch Ruppersberger. Yeah. Y'all want to... That's President Barack Obama. That's Valario. That's Bobby Zirkin and Loretta Lynch. That's the NAACP. I started this in 2007. It was about your prison industry and mass incarceration. That's Shorty's. That's Shorty's. And that's Judge Turnbull. You feel me? Honorable Judge Turnbull. I named the charges against Scott Schellenberger. Right here. Justice Towning. I gave you Dred Scott. Yeah. Then I blew the whistle on Scott Schellenberger. Crimes against property. Theft. Credit card. Yeah. Financial crimes against vulnerable individuals. You locked me up and took advantage of me while I was locked up. Knowingly permitted title crimes. All right. And that's who knew about it. Governor O'Malley, the ACLU, Terry Owens, Cardins, Cummings, Mikulski, Maryland Lawyers Association, parole and probation. It's all right here. Like I say, I do what I do in the light of day. I put that toilet out in front of Towson in 2011. It was about corruption and the crime that the courts is doing. How the media, the police, and all this machine works together. It says a voice for the voiceless. Right there. You feel me? A voice for the voiceless. That's the DVD for the FBI and the cell phone calls that I recorded. That's Cal Ripken and my producer, Rob Fix. That's Mary Mubala, Vic Carter, and Kai Jackson. I was showing you everybody and everything. A voice for the voiceless. That's the toilet I brung out of storage, Visionary Arts Museum. It was an instant classic. Yeah. Had a phone on it and everything. Give me a trial. Shorty's voice. Had everything on it. Veterans for Ehrlich. That was a letter to President Obama. Right in here. Eric Holder. Right in there. That's my address. Give me a trial. And that's all the people that signed off on this. Y'all never gave me this evidence back. These are the people that knew about it. That's Fox 45. That's Alex Cooper. All right. And that's the FBI. I gave y'all all that. I gave y'all all that. I'm that man from Zion. Because that's where the toilet was at in Zion. And nobody locked me up for the toilet in Zion. You feel me? A toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. I need a federal and state audit because I'm trying to get my license for 2020-21. I need a federal and state audit. I need to get my business license. All right? That's 2020. That's 2019. That's November 2007. Baltimore County Council meeting. Scott Schellenberger issue. All right? Julian Jones. Please share this with the county council. Scott Schellenberger. Caminets. That's before Caminets died. It's making a movie about y'all. About racism in your courts. Right here. Grand jury. This is what I wanted. A grand jury. I was making a movie about y'all. And these are the people that know about it. Julian Jones. The Department of Justice. And Dole Colbert. See? Do your job or lose your job. Civil Liberty Lawsuit, 2019, August. Baltimore Block. That's my sister, Teresa Davis, and that's Ivan Bates. Yeah. This is my third letter. That's to Oleski and Chief Hyatt because y'all shielding Scott Schellenberger. Attached to video, federal investigation, 2010. Long before I got locked up, I blew the whistle on y'all, and y'all got the videotape. Chief Justice Roberts instructed me to approach the Supreme Court. Yeah, you got a copy of the writ of certiorari. Yeah. President Trump received this material as well. This is President Trump. That's Kweisi and Mfume. That's Kathleen Hughes and Jamie Lee Foster Brown. That's Kweisi and Mfume. That's President Trump. That's Congressman Cummings' office in 2019. All right. Your office is shielding the corruption and the racism in Baltimore City and Baltimore County on a federal level. I waited till y'all won y'all's positions and sitting in y'all seats. I want the Democratic Party brick by brick, block by block. I want Schellenberger. Schellenberger's your weakest link, and Schellenberger gonna snitch. Schellenberger, Bobby Zirkin's law firm, all the evidence that Judge Souter got, all the evidence that Judge Cox got, David Irwin. I'm coming after your money. And we're going to do it in the same way that you did me. It's going to be a fair exchange. Ain't no stick up without a gun. I'm going to use the courts. I'm going to use the Constitution. I'm going to use your laws. And I'm going to use you.